Hi everybody, my name is Ms. Lombardi and I'm going to teach you a very short mini lesson on the difference between complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, so complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees. So let's jot that down. Complementary angles have a sum, and remember, sum means addition, okay, like a total. So they have a sum of 90 degrees. And then supplementary angles, we're still going to use addition, and it's still going, the angles are going to have a total, but this time their total is going to be 180 degrees. So let's write that down. Supplementary angles have a sum of 180 degrees. So double complementary angles, okay? So complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees, supplementary angles have a sum of 180 degrees. But either way, we're working with the sum, which is addition. Let's grab a utensil, writing utensil, and let's draw some angles, okay? Now, if you are wondering if your angles have to be exactly like mine, no, they do not. Can they be smaller? Yes, they can. Can they be bigger? Absolutely. Can they be positioned differently? Yes. But what cannot be different is what I'm about to write, okay? I'm going to call this angle A, and I'm going to say that angle A has an angle measurement of 60 degrees, okay? Let's say that your next angle, whatever one you did not use first, and no, it does not matter, angle B has a total of 30 degrees. If I was to ask you, are these angles complementary? 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equals 90 degrees. Yes, they are. Bingo, bango. Let's move over here to supplementary. So once again, yours can be smaller than mine, larger than mine, or positioned differently. So let's say I have this angle right here, and let's say I have this angle right there, okay? So just as a reminder, you're doing great. They can be larger, they can be smaller, and they can be positioned differently on your paper or whiteboard or whatever you're using, okay? I'm gonna call this angle C, and I'm gonna say that angle C has a measurement of 135 degrees. And then you should have one angle left. You're going to label this angle D, and we are going to say that angle D is a measurement of 45 degrees. So once again, if I said, hello, good friend, I offer you $1 trillion. Are these angles supplementary? You bet your bottom dollar you're ready. 135 degrees plus 45 degrees gives us a total of 180. Check. You now understand complementary angles. You now understand supplementary angles. Do you want to see a trick? I'll show you. I like tricks. All right, everybody. What does the word complementary start with? You are correct, C. So I'm going to ask you to make a big C. Okay? What number can we make that become? If you are out there thinking straight vertical line, air high five during coronavirus, you are correct. We are going to add a straight line down here. You don't say. That looks like a 9, which helps me remember 90, which helps me remember that complementary angles have a total or a sum of 90 degrees. Okay, well, let's move over here to supplementary, and then I'm done for the day. Supplementary, what letter does that start with? It starts with an S, so we're going to make a nice big S. It's pretty good considering my cast. Oh yeah, I'll tell you about this later. Anywho, what number could this possibly look like? If you're thinking connect those like a figure 8, you are correct. Because when you do so, oh my Lanta, it makes an 8, which can turn into a 180 degrees, which is the sum of what supplementary angles add to. Take a breath, take a bow. You now know the difference between complementary and supplementary angles. Live lessons with Miss Lombardi. Stay healthy and stay positive and stay learning.